We made it to Typo. Now we have to get on a little bus and then we are on our way to the little waterfall. I'm very excited. So here we go.
We got our 2 front seats.
Yes. Oh. Funny weird space.
Oh, it's petite.
Okay, so of course we got a little bit lost, but we are on our way now. All's good. Okay, we just have to get on the bus again and then go to the right stop, but it will probably be here like soon. So here we go. Finally, we made it. Missed our stop, but got our stop again. All good. Here we come, waterfall. We made it to our first little waterfall.
Oh yes, we go do a circle, look.
Uh-huh.
Back to the same spot.
Oh, nice.
I was trying to have us go through the jungle.
No path.
Not actually a path.
Okay, so we found the first waterfall and it's amazing. I cannot believe it. The hike is really hard though. Like the hike is not the easiest. Like it's really nice and it's really cool now that we're here. Oh. So we are at Middle Fall now and it's so beautiful. It's right behind me. I'm so happy we did this. This is so amazing. Just to like see it makes me so happy. It wasn't even the plan to go to a waterfall. It was just like, okay, maybe we should do something. And then we came to a waterfall. Ah! We made it to our, I think, our final waterfall, and it's beautiful. It's huge. What a hike. It was a really hard hike to get here, but this is so worth it. Oh my gosh. So worth it. Oh. It's far down. No. Except my pride. Oh, some swim shorts? I don't know what we got over here. Woo! We found a little waterfall on our steps. Okay. Tread lightly. Oh. I fell. I got my shoe wet. I'm around here walking with one wet shoe. We made it to the last waterfall. We made it to Scatterfall, and I'm so happy. And we are here. Life is so nice. We made it to all the waterfalls. I'm so proud. It was a hard hike, I'm not gonna lie to you. Okay, so we are right here. We made it all the way. Bottom fall, middle fall, main fall, Scatterfall. And all the way this way. We're here. We're almost home. Oh my gosh. Right?
Oh. We just go back to Lamb Road. Not via Waterfall.
Oh.
Look, at next time could go up this way. It's probably very beautiful in the golden hour.
Look, we made it all the way. Oh. Poor little legs are shaking, but we made it. We made it. We are done with our little hike for today. It was amazing. I fell twice, only twice. Very happy. We made it. Now we're going home. I need water. Very warm. Okay, but it was a good hike. It was a good mission. It was a really good day. Now we are off to go home. Yes.